Want stronger, more defined calves that look powerful and perform better? Your calves play a major role in walking, running, jumping, balance, and overall lower body strength. In this video, we'll cover 5 highly effective calf exercises that can help build muscle, improve strength, and create impressive lower leg development. Number 1. Standing calf raises. Standing calf raises are one of the most effective exercises for building powerful calves because they directly target the gastrocnemius, the large muscle that creates most of your calf's visible shape. You can perform this exercise using your body weight, dumbbells, or a calf raise machine, depending on your fitness level. Begin by standing upright with your feet about hip-width apart. Keep your core engaged, your chest lifted, and your knees slightly relaxed. Slowly raise your heels as high as possible while pressing through the balls of your feet. Pause briefly at the top and squeeze your calf muscles. Then lower your heels slowly until you feel a comfortable stretch. The most important part of this exercise is controlled movement. Avoid bouncing or using momentum to lift your body. A slower lowering phase increases muscular tension and makes every repetition more productive. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. As you become stronger, gradually add resistance while maintaining proper form. For an extra challenge, perform the exercise on a step so your heels can move below the level of the platform. However, use a stable surface and maintain control throughout the movement. Standing calf raises are simple, accessible, and highly effective when performed consistently. Add them to your lower body routine to develop stronger, more muscular calves and improve overall lower leg performance. Number 2. Seated calf raises. Seated calf raises are an excellent exercise for developing the soleus, a deeper calf muscle that contributes significantly to lower leg thickness and endurance. Because your knees remain bent during this movement, the exercise places greater emphasis on the soleus compared with traditional standing calf raises. Start by sitting on a bench or seated calf raise machine with your feet positioned firmly on the platform. Your knees should be bent approximately 90 degrees. If using a machine, place the resistance securely across your thighs according to the equipment instructions. Begin by lowering your heels under control to create a comfortable stretch in your calves. Then press through the balls of your feet and raise your heels as high as possible. Pause at the top and contract your calves before slowly returning to the starting position. Avoid rushing through the repetitions. The goal is to maintain constant tension rather than simply moving the weight from one position to another. Perform approximately 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 20 repetitions. Choose a resistance that allows you to complete the set with proper technique. Seated calf raises work especially well when combined with standing calf raises because the two movements emphasize different areas of the calf musculature. Together, they provide more complete lower leg development. If you're training for stronger legs, better ankle stability, or improved athletic performance, developing the soleus should not be overlooked. Include seated calf raises consistently and gradually increase resistance as your strength improves. Number 3. Single leg calf raises. Single leg calf raises are a powerful unilateral exercise that can help strengthen each calf independently while improving balance and muscular control. Working one leg at a time also makes it easier to identify strength differences between your left and right sides. Stand upright near a wall, railing, or sturdy support for balance. Place most of your weight on one foot and slightly lift the opposite leg from the floor. Keep your standing knee comfortably aligned and maintain an upright posture. From this position, slowly raise your heel as high as possible by pushing through the ball of your foot. Hold the top position for a moment and squeeze the calf. Then lower your heel gradually until you feel a controlled stretch. Do not allow your ankle to roll outward or inward. Keep the movement centered and controlled throughout the entire repetition. Start with 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions per leg. Once body weight becomes easy, you can hold a dumbbell in the working side hand while using your other hand for balance. Because this exercise requires stability, quality is more important than speed or heavy resistance. Perform every repetition through a comfortable range of motion. Single-leg calf raises can be particularly useful for athletes, walkers, and anyone looking to improve lower leg strength and balance. They also make an excellent addition to a comprehensive calf workout because they challenge the muscles differently from bilateral exercises. Consistency, progressive resistance, and proper technique will help you get the most from this movement. Number 4. Calf raises on a leg press machine. Using a leg press machine for calf raises allows you to train your calves with additional resistance while maintaining a supported body position. This can make the exercise especially useful for people who want to progressively overload their calf muscles. Begin by positioning yourself securely on the leg press machine according to the manufacturer's instructions. Place the balls of your feet on the lower portion of the platform while keeping your heels free to move. Your legs should remain relatively straight but avoid locking your knees. Slowly lower your heels toward you to create a comfortable stretch in the calf muscles. Then press through the balls of your feet and extend your ankles, driving your heels upward as far as you comfortably can. Pause briefly at the top before lowering under control. Keep the movement focused at the ankle joint. Avoid bending and extending your knees to move the weight. Your calves should perform the majority of the work. Start with approximately 3 sets of 10 to 15 controlled repetitions. Select a manageable resistance and prioritize technique before adding additional weight. Because the machine provides support, you can concentrate more directly on calf contraction and controlled range of motion. However, never use excessive weight that forces you to sacrifice technique. This exercise can complement standing and seated calf raises by providing another way to apply progressive resistance. Over time, gradually increasing training demands while allowing sufficient recovery can support stronger and more developed calves. Always follow the specific safety instructions for your leg press machine and use equipment appropriately. Number 5. Farmer's walk on your toes. The farmer's walk on your toes combines calf strengthening with balance, ankle stability, and lower body conditioning. Unlike traditional calf raises, this movement requires your calves to remain active while supporting your body during continuous movement. Begin by standing tall with a pair of appropriately weighted dumbbells at your sides. Keep your shoulders relaxed, your chest upright, and your core engaged. Carefully rise onto the balls of your feet so your heels are elevated. Once you are balanced, begin walking forward with short, controlled steps while staying on your toes. Keep your posture upright and avoid allowing your ankles to collapse inward or outward. Maintain steady breathing throughout the movement. Start with a short distance, such as 20 to 30 seconds of controlled walking. Rest, then repeat for 2 to 4 rounds depending on your fitness level. This exercise challenges the calves to produce force repeatedly while also requiring stabilization through the feet and ankles. It can therefore be a useful finishing movement after traditional calf exercises. Do not use extremely heavy weights at first. Excessive loading can make balance difficult and may encourage poor technique. Focus on controlled steps and stable ankle positioning. As your strength and balance improve, you can gradually increase the walking distance, duration, or resistance. For a complete calf-focused workout, combine this movement with standing calf raises, seated calf raises, single-leg calf raises, and machine calf raises. Training the calves through multiple movement patterns can help create a more balanced and functional lower leg program. Remember that muscle development takes time. Consistent training, adequate recovery, proper nutrition, and gradual progression are all important for building stronger, more powerful calves.